Children, today we will write number 17 in our maths class workbook on page number 77. So here T and O is written. T means tens, O means ones, and 17 is a two-digit number, right? So we will write 1 below tens and 7 below ones. Right, so let us start writing, children. And how we will write? We will write 1 and we will start from the middle of the box, right? So let us write 1 below tens. 1, 7. And how we will write 7? We will make a sleeping line from the middle of the box, and then we will make a slanting line and we will touch the bottom line. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Yes, children. So 1 we will write below tens and 7 we will write below ones. So 1, 7, 17. And we will write with nice handwriting, children, right? So we will write 1 starting from the middle of the box. And we will touch the bottom line, okay? And 7 below ones, sleeping line and slanting line. Yes, 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17.